Good morning, good morning, good morning, Fantastic Fours. How are you doing this morning? Today is Monday, and Monday is the first day of the school week. And we are still in the month of November, where we are still celebrating our parents. Parents, how no do? Good morning. All right, today, November is 23 days old. So it's Monday, November 23, 2020. We will begin our morning lesson with numeracy. And previously, we learned how to count to the numeral 3. Count with me to the numeral 3, my little ones. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now we are going to do some number bonding today. We are going to learn what and what make 3. So here we have the numeral 3. So we're going to do the bonding with some other numbers to find out what and what make 3. So I have my counters and we're going into another plate. So how many counter is this? 1. We're going to put it right here. Right there. Stay there, counter. And how many do we have here? 1, 2. We're going to put them over here. So see, we have 1 over here and 2 over here. 1 and 2. Now we're going to slide them down to the bottom, all of them, to count and see how many they are. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 makes 3. Nice. Now I'm going to shift it up a bit. I have 1 over here now. 2 over here, 2. And mommy give me 1 more and I'm putting it over here. I want to know how many. I'm going to slide them down here and count up everything. 1, 2, 3. So 2 and 1 make 3. Now I'm going to put 3 over here. And nothing is over there. 0. 0 is over there. Let's see how many. Slide it down to the bottom of your plate. 3. 3 and 0 makes 3. So we are bonding numbers today to see what and what make 3. Now in your maths book, let's learn together. Mathematics on page 24. There you have your activity. 1 and 2 make. You're going to put the amount and the numeral, and you're going to complete this page today for me. Thank you, my little ones. Enjoy bonding your numbers.